Lebanon. And by the way, speaking of Lebanon, I want you to all pray for our beloved Lebanon and the people of Lebanon. Pray to the Lord Jesus and the Holy Mother and all the saints for the Lord to bestow His peace, His tranquility in every single heart. It is so painful, it is so heartbreaking to see innocent people being killed for some evil agendas, for some political agendas. What has these innocent people got to do with it? You want to conquer this land, you want to conquer that land. Let people live for God's sake. Enough killing, enough bloodshed, enough persecutions, enough pain, sorrows, agonies. There are people, as we speak, their hearts are shattered because they've lost their loved ones. Parents buried their children. Children buried their parents. This is absolutely unbearable. And for what? And for what? I'm not mentioning names because names mean nothing. We are human beings. We are people. We need to respect one another, love one another, and at least compromise to some certain degree so that life can move on. Enough of this dictatorship. Enough of this is my land, this is my home. Let me say this to every single human being. Our home is not here. Our land is not here. Our country is not here. What is our portion on the face of this earth? The grave. The grave. What are we fighting for? For a piece of land? Today it's mine, tomorrow it's not. How many generations came and claimed this land you're fighting over? How many generations claimed it? Where are they? They're dead. The land buried them. Buried them.
You're not a child, you're a man. So stop wearing so many layers to go outside and get the bearskin.
But you know what? It's another sign to say Satan exists. So people open their eyes and minds and hearts and souls and spirits. Satan exists. That's why it is an evil world. It's an evil world. So next time when you come thinking about chasing the world, thinking about building something in this world and achieving something in this world, remember the world is evil. What are you doing? What are you doing? You need to think about your end, your destiny. What will happen when the spirit leaves the body? What will happen? I need to find God. And for me, I have found this God. His name is Jesus Christ of Nazareth, period. This is my God. I found Him. That's why I stopped searching.